What are we even doing today, Chris?
Well, I think we're going to make another mallet. Is that all right?
Again?
Yeah.
It's gone.
All right, so a few months ago, I built a resin head mallet. I did a clear one, and I built it with the guys up at Alumilite up in Michigan. And when I took it with me to Workbench Con in late February, everybody asked, does it really work? Is it really going to survive? Is this hard enough? You know, and I don't think there'd be any issue using this in a normal shop. You know, hitting a chisel or, you know, knocking joinery together. I think this will work just fine. But of course, everybody wants to know, how much can it really handle? So I think we're going to hit some, I don't know, what do you think, Nate? Some fruit?
Eggs.
Eggs? Maybe a soda?
Gotta be
A soda pop? Little pop joke there. What do you think? Maybe a nail?
Definitely some nails.
I think it hit a nail.
100%.
Yeah.
Right side up.
Either way. Challenge accepted, right?
Let's do it.
So we're going to kind of run through that, see exactly what this thing can do. So if you guys didn't see my last video, we'll put a card up in here, one of these sides here. I don't know where it lands. I think it'll land up here. Yeah? No? Nate's just nodding no to everything. But I have a video that shows me making the other one. But this is the silicone mold that we made with the guys up in Michigan at Alumilite. And I want to say this is their Plat 25. I'll double check on that. Either way, I'll put the link in the description to where you can get this stuff. But basically, I sent them up a wooden head, and we made a mold of it. Then when you pop this off, then you have a perfect mold, and we can pour, you know, resin, type epoxy, pretty much anything you want in there. But before we go smashing things, the mallet build's pretty simple. We poured the resin into that mold, then we pop it out, then we kind of fine tune and shape the head, make it look really nice and clean. And then we'll go on to cutting out the handle from one of my templates, and then we'll kind of sand, shape it, and make it really nice and comfy, and then we'll be ready to smash. You ready to smash something?
Ready.
Let's do it. All right, so you guys know that every woodworker, one of the hardest things that you'll ever hit with a mallet is an apple. Is that not true? Okay, well, anyway, somebody on Instagram, when I put it on my stories, and we'll put that right here. Somebody said an apple. Maybe they said a watermelon. Or an egg. I don't remember. But we're going to do an apple.
Close enough.
All right, I got my eye protection. Do you have yours?
Yep.
Count me down.
3, 2, 1. It's gone.
Well, one down here. I don't know if you can see, but the apple didn't phase the mallet whatsoever.
Did you think it was going to?
No. So let's be serious now. A chisel, a good sharp chisel, and your mallet go hand in hand. So let's see what it does. So maybe we can pare a little edge off of here. Maybe teeny tiny little scratches on the face. But you know what? We hit wood. Let's hit the metal edge, right? Oh man, still not dented that much at all. All right, so if you bought one of my mallets before, a few of you have, you should know you don't hit metal with a mallet, but we all do from time to time, right? Just like the edge of that chisel. But what if we grabbed, it's probably like a 16 penny nail. Not bad, huh? Well, let's be nice and easy, right? Oh, we finally chipped it. But it's not cracked. Ready?
Yep.
This is gonna be nasty.
Alrighty.
All right, count me down.
3,
Go ahead and duck.
2, 1.
Oh, gross! Mmm. Yummy. Oh, your lens. Don't look. Don't look.
Oh my gosh!
I'm so sorry. Okay, we're gonna have a little bit of a blurry lens because that egg was a little bit of a pain to wipe off. So bear with us. But now we're gonna try the ultimate metal. We got a nail sitting here upside down and we're going to do this. I don't know, I got it kind of like dug down into the stump here. So I don't know if it's gonna push it down or if it's gonna push it in. So I'm gonna get my safety glasses on here and see what happens. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Really? Well, that didn't really do much. Let's try it again. Ready?
Yep.
Wow. Go the rest of the way, right? Well, I buried it in there. You can see the edge of the face of the mallet. Just kind of scratched. I mean, those aren't even that deep. I could sand those out. So, some of you that follow my buddy Keith on Instagram know that he loves his LaCroix. And I think these are the grossest drink that man has ever made. So, I think it only fits that my mallet should be able to destroy this. You ready? You're shaking a little. All right. Count me down.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! I didn't get as wet as I thought I would.
I did.
Your lens, a little wet.
That helps.
All right, I don't know if you can see that, but nothing wrong with the, you still good?
Yeah.
All right, nothing wrong with the face. In fact, with all the moisture on there, it looks clearer than ever. And there's our can. And I didn't get cut, and Nate didn't get that wet. So, there we go.
Yeah.
So, hopefully that answers everybody's questions about the resin heads. That they can handle anything that a wood mallet can, probably more, I think.
More?
Oh yeah. All right, well, see what happens. Not as easy as it looks, Nate.
Yeah, okay.
First time.
Yeah.
There you go.
It hit me right in the face. Oh my gosh. Why did you aim it up? You spit right at me. What do you have to say for yourself? Gosh.
Except for surprise.